How to use chia seeds for beautiful skin and hair. We know that eating chia seeds carries some wonderful health benefits. Did you know that you can also incorporate these diminutive black and white seeds into your beauty regimen? 4 ways chia seeds heals and restores. Applying chia topically is a much more efficient and targeted way to supply these essential nutrients to the body because the skin is so absorptive. The combination of nutrients in chia seeds has a rejuvenating effect on the outward aspects of beauty, with moisturizing, strengthening, and restorative properties. 1. Zinc. Technically a metal, zinc is a trace element that is essential for many roles in the body, including normal growth and development, immune function, gene expression, and the stabilization of DNA. It is found in meat such as beef and lamb, but chia seeds are also a good source containing a daily value of 12% or 1.3 milligrams per ounce. Topical use of zinc on acne, warts, boils, ringworm, rosacea, psoriasis, eczema, alopecia and dandruff have shown that this micronutrient is quite effective at healing and preventing these and other skin conditions. 2. Protein. To look and feel healthy, our hair needs both moisture and protein. Each strand of hair is made primarily from the protein keratin. It is surrounded by a protective layer known as the cuticle, which is scaled with interlocking cells, much like the shingles on a roof. When hair is damaged by heat treatments, chemicals in perms or dyes, pollution, or prolonged sun exposure, the scales in the cuticle separate, exposing the inner layer of keratin and allowing moisture to escape. 3. Omega fatty acids. A diet rich in omega-3 fats offers many far-reaching benefits for the heart, brain, and bones, lesser acknowledged. However, is that both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids play an important role in the health and appearance of the skin. Omega fats also hold a promising cure for hair loss. A 2015 study on 120 women suffering from mild hair thinning supplemented omega fats for 6 months. The results: more than 86% of participants experienced reduced hair loss, as well as improvements in hair density and thickness. When consumed, omega fats will work their way to the epidermis eventually, but digestive processes can destroy up to 60% of its LA and ALA content. 4. Vitamin E. A vital element for the maintenance of healthy skin, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant which neutralizes free radicals that cause premature aging. It helps to prevent and repair fine lines, wrinkles, and dry skin, while amping up collagen production. Vitamin E is also photoprotective, absorbing some UV light and preventing inflammation of the skin after exposure to the sun. It will reduce swelling, redness, and thickening of the skin while speeding up the wound healing process.